Hi, welcome to Bobbins and Bows of Bear YouTube tutorial for yarn forward. So yarn forward is often used to make a hole in your work or a space. So I've done two here just to show you what they look like. Okay. Often it can be used as buttonholes as well for baby cardigans. Anyway, I'll show you what to do. So I'll just knit a couple of stitches first. So you literally take your wool from the back, through your needles to the front, and then you knit. So the yarn will go across your needle as you knit the next stitch, and it creates a new stitch there. Then I knit another one. So you yarn forward like that, and then you knit the next stitch. So your yarn comes over the needle to knit the stitch, and it creates another stitch. So in some patterns you will, if you don't want to increase, then you will yarn forward and then you'll knit two together like that. So you're still bringing your wool around the needle, creating another stitch, but you've knit two together, so it keeps your stitch count the same. And that's what I did with those below. I yarned forward and knit two together so it stayed straight. But obviously it depends what your pattern asks for. So I'll just do a couple more. So bring the yarn from the back through the needle to the front, and then knit your next stitch. So you yarn forward and knit. Yarn forward and then knit. And on the way back, I'll knit to the end, see if we can come back. You just purl over or pattern over the yarn forward like you would normally with any other stitch. So when we come back I'll show you. Just check where I get to it. Here it is. So this one is your yarn forward. So you can see there's a hole there now. And it just literally goes over your needle. So you just knit that as it sits. So this is a purl stitch, sorry. So you purl this as it sits on the needles. Sorry, I've done them a bit tight. So it's a bit loose, but that's what creates the hole. And then again there. There's another one. So it feels loose because it's creating a hole there. That's another one. Very occasionally in patterns they'll say yarn forward, and what they really want you to do, the next stitch is you've been knitting and they say yarn forward and then purl, and they're just telling you to yarn forward because you would normally know to do that if you go in between a knit and a purl stitch. But usually when they say yarn forward, this is what they want you to do. These are the holes they're trying to create. So I hope that was helpful. If you need to know anything more about that, just leave a comment below. I hope you liked the video. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.